Salutations to all of you. Whenever we experience a food or a dish to be very tasty, we normally come to a conclusion that the person who has prepared the dish must have been so keen in his preparation, and he or she must have taken into consideration all the necessary ingredients or recipes for preparation of that tasty dish. Similarly, when a person discovers that he or she is successful in their missions, it means to infer that he or she must have put all the necessary recipes for the success of his or her mission or venture. Today's discussion is all about the recipes for success. During my college days, I came across three analogies which in fact has changed the outlook of my life itself. Food tastes better when you are hungry. Food tastes better when you are happy. Life tastes better when you rethink and act on it. These are the three analogies which I came across during my college days. I would like to share my own experience with you in this regard before going to the core of today's topic. During my school days or the primitive college days, I used to spend most of my morning hours in the kitchen itself to assist in cooking and other related works. I did not know why I was so interested in this passion. My father used to say that my son is very much interested in cooking rather than his studies. If at all he secures a job in future, he will be a better cook in some restaurant or hotel. Like that he used to comment. Those comments I was not taking so seriously, but in the days to come, during the period when I came out from the university securing a graduation, those comments came as blessings to me. My perspective totally changed, and my thinking towards betterment of my own self has really took place during those days. I prepared so well for my competitive examination, and as a result of which I could secure a job in state service, and after 4 years, consequent upon the central competitive examination I could secure a job in central service. I became an officer later and could complete 34 years of my service both in state and central before I took voluntary retirement. With this, my father's aspiration that his son should become a good officer, either in state or central, has come true. And the third analogy that life tastes better when you rethink and act also came true. The cooking altogether, the passion of cooking, summarily changed the outlook of my life. Though I was settled down in my job, the passion of cooking did not leave me. Even now, I am fond of cooking. With the activity of cooking, so many life lessons I have learned. Becoming successful is not the becoming rich or famous. It does not necessarily mean that one should be rich, famous, and secure awards, rewards, appreciation, and stand a center of attraction in the society. It may be so simple. If one is fulfilled in his mission, in his task, if one likes his mission, his vision, and keeps it, keep liking it, pursue it, then he is fulfilled. The state of success comes from not becoming rich or famous or something like that. He should get personal fulfillment. When a person is personally fulfilled, he means to say that he is successful in his mission. The word success means different from person to person. Be a common man, be a peon, be a commissioner, be a person who works as a professional. The definition of success varies. My definition of success may not be at par with the definition of others. However, in the course of one's life, in the course of experiences one come across, he derives certain things which paves way for success. Those things will serve as the resources or ingredients or recipes for the success. Similarly, in my own life, certain things have come to my rescue. During the hard days of pain, misery, tribulations, and also the days of success, happiness, and growth, I could learn certain things in my life. And those recipes have been contributory factors for the success in my life. I would like to share those ingredients before you. I reiterate that my definition of success or my ingredients of success may not be at par with the ingredients of some other success. However, these 4 ingredients or the recipes for success are worth sharing with you because it has got a general utility for all of us to come up with success. The first ingredient, first recipe for success is the time. The second is the energy. Third is enthusiasm. And fourth is support. We will discuss on the first recipe of success in the reverse order. First is enthusiasm. Motivation comes to a person only when he or she is enthusiastic. When he is not enthusiastic, he will lack the real urge to take up the thing. So, enthusiasm is a must, and it should serve as the most important recipe for success. Then comes the time. For any deal, for any venture, for any accomplishment, it takes time. Time may vary from hours, weeks, months, year, or couple of years. You should be able to withstand with the tenure and should persevere yourself with the time slot and should wait till the things takes its shape. So time is the second recipe for success. Then comes energy. Even when you have vision, mission, your enthusiasm, and you are capable of checking yourself as to the time frame, if you lack energy, it may be physical or your mental energy, then the very purpose of attaining success will be defeated. You should be able to have a good, sound energy both physically and mentally. This serves as the third recipe for success. The fourth is the support. Most of the time, support we may not get. Even our family members may not support to the mission we undertake, to the vision we have, to the work or the task we want to contemplate. It is not because they are discouraging you. They are afraid that you will fall down. You will go too much on that. They think like that. If that is the case, if you are right in your perspective, your mission, and your good aptitude and attitude, you yourself is a support, your steadfastness, your eagerness, zealness, and consistency, commitment, and conviction itself are the supports for you. If those serve as support, then your motivation, your zeal, morale will automatically emerge out of those things, and it serves as the important recipe for your success. All these four contributed so much in my life, and I could come out without any problem, with some sort of accomplishment in the course of my life. These four recipes may also serve as the contributors, the ingredients for others as well to have success in their life. With this, let me conclude today's talks. Let me come up with another topic in the ensuing episode. Till then, let me say namaskars to you once again.